Hey everybody, this is Gary from Spartan Cycle, Clinton Township, Michigan, and it's the 70s all over again with these new Royal Enfields. Guess what? Bitchin's back! Got these 650 parallel twins from Royal Enfield. They're brand new. They're really hot. We've got lots of people that want them. They're not going to sit around the showroom for very long. It's got old style British flair. They got the styling really right on these bikes. A diamond tufted seat to the tank. The detail that they did on this motor to really make it look like an old British twin. Royal Enfield is on a roll. Let me tell you what, we're gonna sell a lot of these bikes. It's an air and oil cooled 4-valve motor, 650. Makes really decent power, makes about 47, 48 horsepower. It's pretty light, about 450 pounds, and really simple. Best thing about it is it's a blast to ride. You've got modern gas reservoir shocks. The preload is adjustable here on the spring. It's got really nice aluminum wire wheels. Look at this engine. Really smooth. It gives you a really nice look of an old British twin with the aluminum valve covers and the aluminum side covers here. It gives you the image of carburation, yet it's fuel injected. Counterbalanced on the inside, this motor is extremely smooth. This is one of the smoothest twins I've rode out of any bike, and that's right up to red line, right to 7,000 RPMs. It's got a really nice aluminum fork brace here, standard equipment. Anti-lock brakes are standard equipment with braided steel brake line. It's the coolest thing you're gonna buy at this price point. They have a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty with roadside assistance. So if you're looking for something a little bit different, something with some bitchin' 70s styling to it that's seriously authentic and fun to drive, and not very complicated, you really need to get a hold of myself, Gary, or my salesperson, Brian, here at Spartan Cycle in Clinton Township, Michigan. And remember, everybody, please ride safe.